2021, this high-speed pursuit turns chaotic as a silver SUV dives into the dirt. Patrol lights strobe while the officer hammers the throttle to pin the suspect down. One mistake at 90 miles per hour spells certain death. See what happens when the runner runs out of road. On the night of April 9th, 2015, in Idaho, it began when 33-year-old Jose Manuel Sanchez was ordered to pull over. Instead of complying, he turned his vehicle and struck the cruiser, injuring an officer. A high-speed chase then unfolded on I-84. He thought he could outrun the entire police force, but physics had other plans. Not wearing a seatbelt, Sanchez was ejected from the vehicle, but still got up and tried to run as officers shouted, "Get down!" The 33-year-old, with a history of drug offenses, was eventually captured and sentenced to 15 years in prison for assaulting an officer, felony fleeing, and using a vehicle as a weapon. On February 4th, 2023 in Florida, the pursuit begins after two suspects in a stolen pickup truck are spotted. They had already fired shots at police in a tanker truck earlier. This footage starts with their vehicle already heavily damaged, yet still fleeing stubbornly on I-75. Clearly, they had no intention of surrendering. How much farther could they possibly go? At speeds over 130 miles per hour, officers executed a precise pit maneuver, causing the Lincoln MKZ to lose control, slam into the guardrail, and spin out. Law enforcement quickly moved in.
Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Hands! Let me see your fucking hands! Get out the car! Hands! 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 Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Police shout, "Let me see your hands." Physics ultimately wins. Zachary Hobbs, 19, now faces a 6-year prison sentence for felony fleeing and reckless driving. What do you think about a 6-year sentence for this behavior? Is it enough to deter others? Let us know your thoughts below.
What the?
On April 1st, 2021, in McCanopy, Florida, Deputy Sean McGuigan spotted a yellow Chevy Suburban driven by 33-year-old Matthew Martin Richardson running a stop sign, hopping the curb, and entering oncoming traffic. Instead of taking a minor ticket, Richardson hit the gas, turning a simple traffic violation into a dangerous 10-minute high-speed chase. What makes someone make such a bad decision?
Signal 12. towards 441. We're coming up to 441 now. Using the wrong lane of traffic. Through the median. We're at 70. Miles an hour.
He's flipping me off. After throwing an open container out the window, he blasted through a construction zone at 100 miles per hour, even making obscene gestures at police.
Can we notify Marion? 1031, let's take a 1K.
We're at 30. I'm pitting. Pit failed. Pit failed. SHP's coming back up on me. Traffic light, roads somewhat wet.
Push your little block now, we're coming up to 326.
Officers attempted a PIT maneuver, but failed. Richardson didn't just flee, he turned around and deliberately collided with a unit. He ran me. This is where the situation escalated from fleeing to assault.
Pick up. Sticks deployed.
We missed him.
He tucked that license plate so well, he might as well keep it as a souvenir in a jail cell. A top-tier strategy. If your goal is to make sure every cop in the city notices.
He's ran me twice now.
They cut back towards 441, seminary here. Street a bit of that. Jim, stay here, just go back out though. Okay, I'll go up to 441. They're just reading southbound. Back southbound towards the 8th, Jim. Hey, hold on, 441 right here.
We'll ram those cars.
Matthew Martin Richardson, 33, was finally taken into custody. Ironically, he was already on probation for DUI and fleeing police. He now faces multiple new charges, including aggression toward officers with a dangerous instrument in violation of probation. In Florida, these charges could put him behind bars for decades. What's the lesson? Never think you can outrun police radios. Cobb County, Georgia, May 24th, 2023. Police spotted a stolen pickup truck driven by an armed robbery suspect on Mile 75. Instead of surrendering, he floored it, turning the interstate into a reckless and foolish race.
Heavy traffic on the right shoulder, 80 miles an hour. Get off of Windy Hill.
Very preferred place to be at if it's late.
Less lethal.
Put the knife down for me, pal. I need you to put the knife down.
Hands down! Come on!
Keep your hands in the air and step out.
Hey,
Put your hands out to the side, just like an airplane. Look down at the ground and do not move.
all right, moving. Do not move! Do not move!
After the crash, he threatened himself, ignoring commands to put it down before finally surrendering. DeMarco Thomas, 27, said, "I just wanted to get away." The price, a minimum of 10 years in prison for armed robbery in Georgia. Was it worth it? On April 14th, 2018, in Pasadena, Texas, what began as a routine traffic stop for an expired vehicle registration quickly turned into a life-or-death confrontation. The driver, 60-year-old Robert T. Revel, made an incomprehensible decision. Instead of staying put and complying, he opened the door and stepped out, completely ignoring the officer's commands. How could such a minor violation lead to such a dangerous choice?
Hey, stay in the vehicle. Stay in the vehicle. Stay in the vehicle. Show me your hands. Show me your hands. Hey! 481, shots fired. Shots fired. Motors down for.
Steady for one out.
Stay in the vehicle. Show me your hands. Show me your hands. Hey! 481, shots fired. Shots fired. Spooner and Southmore.
Patrol 1.
481, shots fired. Spooner and Southmore. Spooner and Southmore. Shots fired.
Shots fired, Short and Southmore.
The tragic ending came when Robert T. Revel pulled out an object and pointed it at the officer, leading to him being the situation turned lethal. A grand jury later ruled that Officer J. Ryman acted in lawful self-defense and filed no charges. A minor administrative violation ultimately led to the loss of a life, showing how compliance can be the thin line between going home safely and a tragic outcome.